If you're thinking about selling a home in Bowie, Maryland this year, February might be the most misunderstood month of the entire market. This isn't a seller's market. It's not a buyer's market either. It's what I call a balanced reset. And if you price, prep, or time your sale like it's 2022, you'll miss the money that's still on the table. In February 2026, the Bowie housing market is doing something rare. Inventory is rising, and buyer activity is rising too. Mortgage rates have eased just enough to pull buyers off the sidelines, but they're not impulsive anymore. They're analytical, they're cautious, and they're comparing everything. That means sellers are still seeing appreciation, but only when the home is positioned correctly. Right now, the average home value in Bowie sits around $515,145, reflecting a modest 0.4% increase year over year. And here's the hard truth for sellers. Overpricing no longer leads to negotiations. It leads to silence. Buyers today aren't testing the waters. They're skipping listings that feel unrealistic. Homes priced correctly from day one are the ones still creating momentum.
Thinking about selling your home? Don't waste your money on expensive courses that overpromise and underdeliver. Our free home sellers training course gives you the exact strategies you need to sell your home fast and for top dollar without spending hundreds on other programs. Click the link in the description now to get started. Stop wasting money, start selling smarter today.
Homes in Bowie are currently taking 27 to 43 days to go pending. That's faster than the Maryland average, but much slower than the lightning-fast sales of recent years. And that's not bad news. It's a normalizing market, one that rewards preparation, not panic. Supply in Bowie sits around 3 months, which still technically favors sellers. But here's the twist. Statewide listings are projected to rise 15 to 20% this year. Translation, you're competing with more homes than last February. Standing out is no longer optional. Many homeowners are still locked into ultra-low pandemic interest rates. But life doesn't wait for rates. Growing families, job changes, lifestyle shifts. Those sellers are coming back, slowly loosening inventory and giving buyers more choices. Mortgage rates are now hovering in the low 6% range, roughly 5.9 to 6.4%. That's enough to reactivate buyers, but they're more rate sensitive than ever. Expect requests for closing cost credits, rate buydowns, or flexible terms. Smart sellers plan for this in advance, instead of reacting mid-negotiation. February isn't about peak prices, it's about positioning. Maryland's prime selling season begins in April. The sellers who win use February to prepare. Maintenance, decluttering, professional photography, strategic pricing. Looking for a reliable agent who earns trust by advocating fiercely for home buyers and sellers by being client-focused, education-driven, negotiation-strong, who solves problems and protects my clients' interests from start to sold. Call or text 2404321464. When spring demand hits, they're already ahead. Before you list, know your numbers. Plan for about 3.77% in closing costs for taxes and title fees. Commission averages around 5.55%, though flexible fee structures are becoming more common. The key is net, not headline price. February 2026 is not a wait-and-see market, it's a plan and execute market. If you're thinking about selling in Bowie, strategy, not luck, will decide your outcome.
your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.